Morning, sir. Good morning.
Good
So
morning.
your recording is on.
No, I'm just switching it on. Yeah. Very good morning, Vijay.
Very good morning, sir. Very good morning, team.
Viewers, I'm very, very excited and very happy to inform you that Vijay Kale has been able to crack two back-to-back deals, just about 2 days ago on Friday and Saturday. And we are immensely pleased that he was able to crack this deal. And I have invited him primarily to check with him as to how he was able to succeed, how his journey has been with Remax. And he has been in the system for about now nearing 3 months. Vijay, am I correct? Is it
Two
three?
months now, sir. 2 months.
2 months now.
26th August, I joined.
Yeah, so in about 2 months' time, he has been able to achieve this success, which is phenomenal. And we need to understand that what made him achieve this success and how did he do this. Vijay, over to you. We would like to understand from you how your journey has been with us.
Firstly, very, very thankful to you and your mentorship. This morning program.
Mhm.
This actually gave me the way of working in a disciplined manner.
All right.
Uh, I learned about how follow-up works. Basically, earlier, what used to happen, the meeting used to happen. Uh, the deal was about to close, but then due to some reasons, due to the lack of follow-up,
Mm.
the deal used to most of the time deal used to go out of hand.
Okay.
Matlab, customer used to see some other property or some other through some other yeah, real estate consultant or something like that.
Mm. Mhm.
But then this 2 months taught me, how
Mm.
follow up has to be done, because I was been following this two leads for around more than 20 days actually.
Mhm.
And there was every alternate day there was an interaction via phone call or via WhatsApp. And then finally the day came. The lot of negotiations were taking place because of the rate purpose from both the sides.
Mm.
The first case which I was told you, I was not very happy with it. I've shared my views on that, but
Mm.
that's okay, perfectly all right. The deal has been done now.
Mm.
Uh, should I share that experience over here?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
You should
okay.
share this. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
Well, friends, this case was basically when there's one guy called Anandrao Deshmukh. He had taken a loan from a bank called National Bank of 65 lakhs. But during lockdown, he is into transport. He is into transport business. But due to lockdown, his entire business was stuck up. His one truck is stuck in Hyderabad, and the other truck is stuck in Pune. And now that guy has come in position that he doesn't have even money to pay to the parking lot in Hyderabad to release his truck. So he was in such a deep problem. And the loan amount was exactly 65 lakhs. Though the house cost, the market cost of that particular house, it's a 2 BHK terrace flat, is almost, but the last year it was around 90 lakhs. So post COVID, you can easily say up to 85 lakhs, and he had to take a loss of 20 lakhs. But he is a thorough gentleman, and he went to bank, and before the bank declares the asset as NPA, he said to the bank, I don't want my guarantors to be troubled by bank, because I am getting trouble. That's okay, but my guarantors should not be troubled. So I surrender this property. So fortunately, that bank manager is from the same friendly group, a WhatsApp group what we have. He shared that particular thing on WhatsApp. So I immediately called up, and he said, "This is what the situation is." We went to his house, we met him. Uh, Again, something like something different happened. He happened to be a mama of my very close friend who had gone back to his native 2 years back to settle his business in farming. So ऐसे पहचान भी निकल गया. I mean, he was from a very close community sort of.
Mhm.
And then we went ahead, and we found one guy. In fact, two guys, and out of which one was able to happen. But you know what? That guy had requested, because 65 lakhs is a bank outstanding, but I need 2 lakhs over and above that value, because I will have to shift to some other rented property. I'll have to pay deposit over there. I have to pay outstanding of society. So he had requested for additional 2 lakhs, which the buyer was not very convinced. But somehow I personally convinced him about his position. And then finally we gave that check, that token check to him of 2 lakhs, and we closed the deal, fortunately. So that's how it happened.
Yeah.
That's how it happened.
Right. So
So
why you weren't happy about
I was not happy because that guy was when so close to me. Happened to be very close to me. The
it?
position which he was going through during the lockdown, but like he is a person who was quite a rich one. अच्छा business था उसका. He has 5 trailers, so
Hmm.
he was running through a very good condition.
Hmm.
But post COVID, the situation becomes so. And over and above that, his father is corona affective, his mother is corona affective,
Hmm.
back to his native,
Hmm.
and so many expenses, and the condition of that guy was very very critical. And in that position, he had to surrender his lovely house. The house is really lovely on a very main road of the vicinity where I stay. It's a 2 BHK and a terrace flat. And I know I had been to his puja back in 2007, which he reminded me, sir आप आए थे हमारे पूजा में.
Hmm.
तो वो सब देखते हुए थोड़ा सा अच्छा नहीं लगा, बट फाइनली एटलीस्ट ही ऑल्सो गॉट रिलीव, बिकॉज वो प्रॉपर्टी अगर एनपीए हो जाता था तो उसके ऊपर कोई और बैंक लोन नहीं करता था. तो
Hmm.
वो एक निकल गया उससे, बट उस आदमी का दर्द, उसके फैमिली का दर्द उनके मुंह पे सीधा सीधा दिख रहा था सर. एंड इट वाज नॉट वेरी इजी फॉर मी.
No,
थोड़ा इमोशनल, मैं भी थोड़ा सा बिजनेसमैन हूँ, बट थोड़ा इमोशनल हूँ.
but actually, what you have done is a great help for him because you have helped him from getting into further, deep into trouble.
Yeah, that's true, that's true.
Otherwise, he would have accumulated more liability on his head, and
Definitely.
it would have resulted even in certain untoward decisions that he would have taken if you had not resolved his problem.
Very
Actually,
true,
you
sir.
have saved the life of the person because he can always rebuild this. There is nothing. He might probably this loss, whatever he has seen, is a temporary loss for him, but he will definitely rebuild his career. Going wherever he has gone right now.
Yeah, I'll definitely see to it.
Hmm.
In fact, I have given him one business opportunity also,
Hmm.
which I'm working with.
Right, right.
Yeah, so I'll
So
see to it that he survives. I mean, he comes back
he comes.
very
He
clearly
will
within a month or
definitely
two.
bounce back. He will
Yeah,
definitely bounce
definitely.
back. Okay, this is as far as the first sale is concerned. Right.
Yeah.
What about
The
the second?
second deal was stuck for almost 70 days, 17 days, 17,
Hmm.
for just for 2 lakh rupees. Matlab, the owner wanted 47 lakhs and this guy was not ready above 45.
Hmm.
So lot of negotiations happened, but
Hmm.
nobody was budging even for 10,000 rupees less or more.
Hmm.
But then with a lot of negotiations and after convincing the owner
Hmm.
that the current situation is not even demanding what you're asking,
Hmm.
the rates have really declined,
Hmm.
and situations are very bad. Banks are in a bad position.
Hmm.
uh, you won't get, he won't get a loan also up to that particular for that, because the market value, the bank always calculate the market value of that particular property before releasing the amount.
Hmm.
And this will go on. I mean, this, and I also convinced him that don't think that situation is getting cleared.
Hmm.
So the second wave has already touched France and UK.
Hmm.
UK has already declared lockdown 2,
Hmm.
and very soon, India might also, that second wave might come. I
Hmm.
mean, I pray it should not, but
Hmm.
one really doesn't know what is going to happen.
Hmm.
So it's better that you're getting cleared, get it off. So
Hmm.
finally he agreed,
Hmm.
and the deal happened, and the token check was been released
So
that day, which
you got the buyer at 45 lakhs.
buyer of 45 lakhs.
45 lakhs. That's very nice. Okay, coming back to your, before the real estate industry, how long you have been actually?
I've been in real estate for 12 long years, sir.
12 long
But
years
I was mainly dealing in land, with lands even today.
with land.
Yeah, but during COVID time, what happened, that particular sale absolutely vanished. मतलब वो land deals होना ही बंद हो गया था. As we all know, most of us are from
Right,
real estate background.
right.
So I came into retail.
Retail.
I targeted the project like Lodhas and all.
Hmm.
But I was never into secondary market. Thanks to you, I started concentrating on secondary market. I was
Right.
always for the primary market. But then after learning from you, we should concentrate on rental properties. I have not done a rental property till today.
Acha. Hmm.
But then after that, I started posting in my known groups about rentals and the secondary market also, because there's a huge potential over there also.
Right, right. So this happened out of posting of this property in a group of WhatsApp
Yes,
group,
yes,
and
yes,
then
yes, sir. Yes,
through
sir.
some other source you are
I
able
got, I got the lead.
to that.
Through
Right.
the source.
Very good, fantastic. So, what gentleman, you see how he has been able to crack his deal. The person who was actually not into retail market in real estate, he was only into land selling and all that, got his mind shifted after he joined Remax. And he focused his attention on resale properties also, because that is one of the things that I keep telling people, that never concentrate on just one. And it's always better to have inventories in hand, so that when more number of leads keep coming, you can either shift the resale property leads to a new property, and vice versa. This is possible. So you need to have both resale and new property in hand, which is exactly what Vijay Kale has followed. And he's from Bombay, and I'm very happy that in about 2 months' time he has been able to crack two deals, back to back. And one is definitely a very, very emotional story. But you have done a phenomenal job, Vijay. I think you have helped him a lot. The
Thank you, sir.
first buyer, and at the same time, first seller. I think first seller. He is a seller, right? Yeah. So you saved him from a lot of liabilities and all that. And the second one, also, you made the seller accept that the market condition is bad, and though he took about 17 days time in taking the decision, but you were persuading him, and then got him to accept this offer. So you have done very good job for both of them, because the person seller was able to sell it, buyer was able to buy it. Yeah.
Like post joining Remax, this patience came into me. Prior to that 17 days, I would have forgot that lead.
Okay.
I would have seriously forgot that lead. But thanks to you, I've kept on kept that patience, kept that perseverance, and kept on following and calling him on phone or maybe on WhatsApp,
Right.
and finally it cracked.
Okay. So if I were to ask you as to what kind of advice would you like to give to people who are still sitting on the fence, where they are struggling to sell and deals are not happening and all that, what is it they need to do to succeed like you?
The main learning from you actually as a mentor, in one line, I would say that money is in follow-up.
Money is in follow-up. Right. Excellent. And that's a beautiful, phrase that you used.
Yeah.
Money is in follow-up, and speed. Money also loves speed. Okay.
Yes, exactly.
The more you are, constantly in touch with that, definitely it will come to you. And moreover, see, in this, the whole transaction, if you see, he has helped people. It's not that he has gone after chasing money. He has been able to help both the individuals. Both the so one on one side the seller, on the other side the buyer. So it's been a fantastic work, Vijay. More power to you. And
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I want you to keep succeeding like this on, and keep giving us a lot of stories like this.
Definitely,
So
sir.
every month I want to feature you, and
definitely,
you should see
definitely.
a lot of success. Thank you so much.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you so much, friends. So if you are in the verge of about to join or not to join Remax and all that, this is the time for you to take a decision, right? We have many such Vijay Kales in our team. So be a part of this wonderful team who is doing a phenomenal job. They are doing a great service to the society. You can also be a part of this. Thank you so much. Thank you, Vijay, once again. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.